Let me tell you guys something. You have to get this. Oh my gosh, this is the coolest thing ever. And this goes back to what I was saying about PGYTECH's engineering team. I mean, they put some thought, really put thought into their stuff. It's like they love designing these things. It just resonates in their products. It's like I'm wearing my Mini like a chain now. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna be rolling with my Mini chain. This is my Mavic Mini chain. Other people have gold and stuff that they be blinging. I'm gonna be blinging my Mavic Mini around my neck. Yeah, what's up guys? You better get this. PGYTECH never ever fails to excite me. Moving on. Now this is cool, nice and easy to store away, not bad, pretty slim and thin, so this shouldn't be a huge issue if you're a tablet flyer. So we take it apart, loosen this screw right here, take it off, slide it over here, pop that in, and then tighten up the screw. That should do the trick. There goes the old cable, and let's pop in this new USB-C over here. Pop. That's it. We got the cable connected. Now let's get the tablet holder connected. The tablet, I think, fits like this. You just squeeze, you put the tablet like this, spin it around so it stays nice and balanced. Not bad. It's actually not bad at all. I want the cable on this side, the same side here, the right side. I don't know why. All right, let's tighten this up to lock this in place. Let's just tighten that, locks it. Pretty good, pretty good. Not bad. It does feel heavy, but it doesn't feel top heavy. It feels just heavier, but balanced. All right, let's try and get the tablet in the center it up. Just tuck it behind here if you want. There's space. It's a nice braided cable, so it's flexible. When you bend it, it stays in position. If you own the DJI Mavic Mini as well as the Mavic Air 2, this tablet holder will work for both, so you don't need to buy another one. It fits actually and works well with the Mavic Mini controller as well. Filter. So we're gonna pop off the old filter. I'm pretty sure this fits just like all the PGYTECH filters. Old cable, old filter gone. Pop out the new filter and pop it right in. Probably not gonna see that too clearly, but it should be a 1, 2, 3. Bam, easy does it. You just put it to the mark, right? The first mark here is the 2 mark, and then the second mark is 3, then the third mark is 4, and then the 5th mark is 5. Each mark gets darker. I like this because the ring is on the outside and it seems to cover the whole filter. Again, just the way PGYTECH designs their stuff, it's just classy, just classy. Give the filters a fly. Let's give with the tablet, and yeah. Slide that real quick, darken it up and head back out. To put your finger and make adjustments, and then it just turns so smooth. It does feel a little top heavy. It feels solid. I can frame a lot better with this for work. Cable is quality, so I don't see it failing. Filter's nice, rich, don't see any vignetting. want the antenna pointed at the drone, and the drone is usually up in the air, so this is the angle you're taking. So I feel like this is perfect for me. With iPads or tablets, this is perfect. So love the filters, great solution if you don't already have a setup for your tablet. And of course, my favorite of the day, there's something about PGYTECH products that's worth waiting for. I have to wait for products just like you, but there's something just classy about their products. They take pride in their packaging, and everything seems to have this care and effort and thought that goes into the design of the stuff that they make. And that's why for me it's always worth waiting for. For example, their bag. That bag, I use it every single day since PGYTECH sent it to me. Literally, even if I'm not carrying 2 drones or I'm just doing light filming, there's always a combination of stuff that can fit inside of this bag that's just so convenient that I always find myself taking this bag. It's just so useful. It's quality, it feels really good. I'm really happy with this bag. Also, when you look at their other products, like the carrying case for the Mavic Air 2, I did purchase the Fly More combo, and I do have the regular DJI bag that comes with it, but that bag is so soft and flimsy. I'm pretty sure it's padded and there's nothing that's gonna break in there. But for me, this case is just so easy to open, so easy to close. It's not too soft, it's not too hard like a hard case. It fits just in between. The entire Fly More combo fits perfectly in there, and it's got a strap that's removable that gives me flexibility whether I want to throw things around my shoulder or just carry it in my hand. Speed and efficiency is everything. And you need to open up, get access to your stuff. All of your stuff in this particular case is all laid out flat, and boom boom, I can 1-2 get up in the air. And I think PGYTECH just goes the extra mile in putting the thought into their products, and that's why I don't mind waiting. If you guys are wondering why I promote their products so much, it's just that I really like their products and it's really useful. The next product that I'm looking into getting is the backpack. I plan to do a trip in a few weeks, but if I have a case or a bag that can hold everything, and on top of that I can backpack it if necessary. With that being said, guys, definitely check in the description below for the links to all of these products. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button till it turns blue. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and share this video with anyone you know looking for Mavic Mini or Mavic Air 2 accessories. So with that being said, guys, I had fun making this video. I love PGYTECH's products, and I would really appreciate it if you guys can support them. With that being said, I'll catch you guys whenever I can. Big shout out to Autonomous Drone Services and MadMixTube.com for providing us with the equipment to make these videos possible. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.